Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Vivo in India, the Vivo Z1x. So Vivo Z1x is the latest offering after announcing the Vivo Z1 Pro. The Z series is a new series from Vivo in India, and now we have the Z1x which is having an upgraded specifications over the Z1 Pro. So in this video we'll do unboxing. We'll show you what all comes inside the box. We'll talk about the specifications. In fact, we have already done a video on the specifications, the camera samples, and other videos as well. So let's get started with unboxing. So the box package looks quite similar to what we have seen on the Vivo Z1 Pro, the blue box package. And on the back of the device we have the specifications mentioned: Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor, AI engine, 4500 mAh capacity battery. Now the interesting thing is 22.5 flash charge from Vivo. That's pretty impressive. Then we have 32 megapixel front camera, 48 megapixel AI triple camera. That's the important aspect because it has Sony IMX582 sensor, and there is also flash in display fingerprint scanner. Now this variant has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It's a phantom purple variant. There is also a fiery blue variant. Now the storage is 664 and 6128, so the two variants available. So the pricing should be less than 20k. So we are expecting the 6128 to be 19999. Probably that could be the pricing, but it won't go beyond that. That's what our expectation is, and probably 664 might be around 18k. Again, these are guesses because we don't know the actual pricing unless it is announced. We'll update in the comment section. So that's the device. So now let's open the box package and I will show you the device. In fact, we have already shown you the device. So opening up, you can see this is a small box package. So let's see what comes inside. So here we have a case included, the standard TPU case which we have seen on the Z1 Pro as well. Then we have the product information guide and manual. So you can see the India SAR values: 1.03 head SAR and 0.549 body SAR. And you can see all the specification mentioned here. The thickness of the device has been reduced 8.13 mm, so that's considerably lower than the Vivo Z1 Pro. So you have the important specification and warranty information. Then we also have the standard charging cable. Now important thing again is that this is USB Type-C port. So Vivo has moved to USB Type-C port finally for the mid-range and budget devices. So we can see more of Type-C going forward. So this is a USB Type-C cable. Then let's take the device out. So we already shown you the device, so we'll just show it once again. So that's the Vivo Z1x. So the back has the triple camera, so it's a 48 megapixel camera. Now it is having an 8 megapixel wide angle camera. Then we also have the 2 megapixel depth sensor. So these are the three cameras. It's a Sony IMX582 sensor. The purple variant we have, this is a plastic material. In fact, it looks like glass, but it's plastic material. Then we have the notch display. It's a 32 megapixel camera on the device. So let's boot the device. You also see the USB Type-C port, the 3.5mm audio jack, the speaker unit. Here we have the power and volume keys. We have dedicated Google button and the SIM tray. Now there is no micro SD card expansion slot on this device, so it's just the two SIM cards allowed. Now opening up, you can see the adapter. So this is the 22.5 watt flash charger. You can see here 10 volt 2.25 ampere, that's 22 watt fast charging, or it can go 9 volt 2 ampere, that's 18 watt, and 5 volt 2 ampere, that's 10 volt. So 10 watt. So these are the three charging options. So 22.25 is the 22.5 watt charger. Then you also get the earphone included. It's a pretty good quality earphone. We have seen on other Vivo devices as well. So that's the earphones included. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device, and you can see that it comes with an AMOLED display. That's another important aspect. You can see that it has an AMOLED display. It looks really good in terms of the colors. It is vibrant colors, looks really nice. The viewing angles are also excellent. It has short protection that's similar to Gorilla Glass. Short glass protection is included, and it also gives you good screen protection with the pre-installed screen guard. Then we have triple camera setup on the back panel. Now let's have a look at the software. So this has the Android 9.0 along with a Fun Touch OS. So this comes with all the apps and features we have seen on other Vivo devices, so nothing much here. It has additional features like smart split screen, 100 mode, S capture mode, app clone. All these things are included. Now let's have a look at the camera UI. So again, camera UI seems quite similar. We have in the there is no other major change here. We have the wide angle camera, then video recording available at you can just go here. Video recording available 4K, Ultra HD is available, 1080p resolution is also included, so that's the resolution available, and we have AI mode as well. So we already done a video on camera samples, so you can check out that video. We'll also be posting the detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with a 4500 mAh capacity battery, which is a pretty good capacity, and there is 22.5 watt flash charger from Vivo with this device. So that was unboxing and hands-on video of the Vivo Z1x. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Naval signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.